Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2021 Toyota 4Runner with some great exterior features that include black TRD wheels, a full 3M package, and a Revtech Lift Kit. Entering the vehicle, we've got our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, we've got gray and black leather interior. There's also a sunroof, all-weather floor mats, and power windows. Entering the vehicle, we've got our steering wheel with some audio and phone controls. We also have Toyota Safety Sense and Cruise. Over on the touchscreen, we've got radio, phone, and some vehicle information. There's also the backup camera. Right below that are all of your climate controls and a couple of outlets. On your gear shifter, we have a TRD Shift Knob. And down by the cup holders, we've got your heated seat switches, along with this switch, which is for the power sliding rear window. The back seats have more black and gray leather interior. We have two fold-down cup holders along with all-weather floor mats. And for easy access to the third row, you just lift up here. Taking a look at the back, the third row is very convenient to fold down just by lifting up on this tab. Once the third row is folded down, you have plenty of storage space. There is also this all-weather cargo liner to protect the carpet flooring. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2021 Toyota 4Runner with some great interior features that include a TRD shift knob, all-weather floor mats, heated seats, and a cargo liner. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.